Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove a green screen from a video or a picture in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I have this video over here, but I'll overlay this green photo since that image will be perfect for removing the green screen. I'll keep it as long as it is. I'll just move the drag the cursor all the way to the beginning, and now once we're here we want to go into the fusion section in the bottom of the page. Now we're gonna have these two nodes and we're going to want to click on media input. After you do that, control space and this select tool will appear. What you're going to want to do now is find the chroma keyer and just add that as a node, and as you can see it's connected to the media input and to the media output. Now just click on the chroma keyer and you're just going to want to click on the color that you want to remove. In this case it's this green color, so just click on it and as you can see it deletes itself. You can also click and drag to select multiple colors, which will remove multiple hues of the color, multiple things, multiple objects. Pretty much you can just select them in bulk and then that will remove those elements. As you can see, I'm slowly removing anything left over. You might need to do this if you want your green screen to look good, and you just do it, select everything, and it should be perfectly fine. You can do this with any color as far as I know, and that is exactly what the chroma keyer does. And now if I go back to the edit screen, as you can see, this, which is really low res for some reason, let me just put the full res back in, and as you can see now the full resolution is on and the green background is gone, and I only have this text and this shape left. And if I play the video, it's going to be overlaid as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.